Namaste students, welcome to our social class. We are doing block 12. Most of you have completed S1 and S2, but still some students were unable to do the S2. So here we have S2, moving around city, town. Okay, it is all about vehicles that we use for traveling. Name one transport that most of your classmates used to come to school. These days we are not going to our school building. We are learning through our online classes. But last year we were going to the school in vehicles, right? So they are asking you any one transport you should say which more number of your classmates, okay? Most of your classmates use, okay? I repeat the question once again. Choose any, see here some 4 options are given. You have to select one vehicle, okay, one mode of transport which your classmates, most of your classmates, okay, more number of your classmates used to use, okay. So school bus, okay, they come from their home to the school, right? So do they use the school bus? Do they use the school van? And what is carpool? Carpool means the people who are going to the same place, who have to travel and reach the same destination, they use one vehicle, all the passengers. So that is carpool. Personal car, scooter, local transport. Right? So what is your answer? We don't have a school bus. Okay. Most of the other schools have. We don't have the school bus. We don't have the school van. We don't have the carpool. But most of our students come in personal car, scooter and local transport. What is local transport? I'll explain later. Okay. So we are gonna, this one you can take. Personal car, scooter and local transport. And 2 other modes of transport to come to school. Most of our students come in the 7-seater. Right? 7-seater auto. So you should draw. Second question is that you have to draw 2 modes of transport other than this, okay, not this, something other. So I have drawn something like 7-seater. I am not a very good artist. Okay, one rough diagram I have drawn. This is a 7-seater and you should write 7-seater, and this is a RTC bus. Okay, so these are the 2 drawings you should do, right students? Okay students, we have drawn the 7-seater auto, RTC bus. Okay, most of our students come in personal cars, scooter or local transport, some even come in autos. So, while you are coming to the school, what are the sounds that you hear? Okay, what are the sounds? We hear the sounds of other vehicles or other people traveling. Sometimes we hear the honking sound, king, kong, kong sound whenever there is a junction. Okay, we see different people doing different things. So the next question you can write that we hear the sounds of other vehicles, okay, other vehicles or honks, right students? That was S2 of block 12. Now let us go to S3. Students, as soon as you wake up in the morning, what do? As soon as we wake up in the morning, go to washroom, we brush our teeth. Then we look out for our parents and family members, see what they are doing, and take our bath, get our glass of milk, have our breakfast, get ready for school. If any test is there, we'll prepare for the test. So these are the things that we do in the morning. Okay, you students do these things in the morning. Then you get ready for the school, take the transport and you travel to the school. Right? In the morning you'll have the assembly and classes go on period wise. So this is what happens in the morning. Is it the same in the evening students? After 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock, is it the same scene that having bath or having breakfast? It is different. Right? What do we see in the evening? What do we do in the evening? Okay, we come back from the school and we hear the sounds of from the TV. We see children are screaming, shouting, playing outside, people going to tuition. Okay, these are some things which students do in the evening. like how we change, okay, our activities, how our activities change in the morning and evening or afternoon or night. Same, even the city also we see that the city also changes, right? How does the city change? Means we see different people at different times doing different things. What is this? Okay, let us try to understand. Okay, we have drawn 4 columns: morning, afternoon, evening, night. So, in the morning, what do you see people doing outside? Okay, we see, like you see sweepers sweeping, school children getting ready, putting on their bags and going to school, right? And very less people around. So that is what mostly in city, that is what happens. In afternoon, what are the things that we do? Evening, what do you see people doing? And at night, what are the things that you can observe? So this is what we are going to discuss. Dear students, now we have made 4 columns: morning, afternoon, evening, night. Let us write down or let us read what are the activities that people do, or what are the things or animals that we see in the different parts of the day. What are the sounds that we hear? Okay. So mornings, we see the newspaper delivery person running around shouting, paper le lo, aaj ki tazi khabar, right? And we also see people going to their work. Okay, work means their office or their factories, people on their will be traveling. Okay, we also see school buses in the morning. Okay, these are all the activities of morning. Okay, school buses moving on the roads. Okay, full of children. Okay, fresh in the morning. So what do we see in the afternoon? Afternoons on the streets we see around dogs and cows sleeping, or people also sleeping or relaxing. Evening, what do you see? People returning from their work. In the evenings, if the time is 5 or 6 to 7, people will be returning from their workplace, from their offices and factories. They'll be traveling to come back to their homes. And we also see the children playing. Okay, morning times children will be going to school, putting on their school bags. Evening times children will be playing. Night, how would it be? We see a lot of lights in the night, right? Trucks going in and out of the city. Very big trucks, lorries carrying sand or some other goods. They'll be going in and out of the city. And what is this crickets? Crickets, here is not the bat and ball game. Crickets is name of an insect. Okay, cricket is the name of a small insect which makes a kind of sound. Okay, especially where there are no people or where there are bushes in the dark, these insects make a sound. Right now there is a cricket in my house which is making noise, kiki sound, right? So these are the activities in the different parts of the day which we observe in our city or town. Okay, and we also see in the morning so many things happening. The milkman coming and delivering milk to everyone. Okay, so let us discuss a little bit about our worksheet also. What do we have? This is your S3 worksheet. Changing city, changing town. Put the date, fill in the blanks, fill in the table. 2 boxes are there. Write all the sounds you hear around in the home in the morning. Then other box, write all the sounds you hear around your home in the evening. Okay, what are the sounds which you hear in the morning? What are the sounds which you hear in the evening? That you should write. Okay, morning, as soon as you get up, you will be hearing the birds chirping or people cleaning their yards. Okay, the sweepers sweeping, people getting ready for their work. These are the sounds. Okay, and Write all the sounds you hear around your home in the evening. In the evening, what do you hear? You can hear children screaming or playing outside, making different sounds or shouting. So even the TV sound also we can hear, right? Then second question, what are the two differences between the morning sounds and evening sounds? What is the difference between the sounds that we hear in the morning and the sounds that we hear in the evening? Morning, everyone will be like rushing, they'll be very, very busy. Okay, elders will be going to their workplace, children have to go to their school. Okay, this is the time where people also, we hear sweepers doing their job, and newspaper person will be delivering newspaper, or the milkman comes in the morning to deliver the milk. So mornings are very, very busy for everyone. Okay, we hear a lot of sound in the morning. Then how are the sounds in the evening? In the evening, everything is little bit peaceful. We don't hear so much sounds. Okay, we can hear the vehicles coming back home, about people who are coming back from their workplace. But in our neighborhood, we hear children playing, right? Such kind of sounds. Okay, so the sounds are less, okay, in the evening when compared to the morning. Then look at the third question. Look at the two pictures and write morning and evening. Give reasons. So there are two pictures. In the first picture, a lady is sitting with a girl, and another lady is standing and watching the sea. Here in the second picture, a man is delivering milk. Okay, people are relaxing. In the first picture, people are relaxing at the beach. In the second picture, a man is delivering milk. Okay, he is going on cycle. Now you have to tell me which part of the day it is. When are you more peaceful, in the morning or in the evening? Of course, in the evening. Okay, when we are done with our school work or office work, when we are done with our homework, okay, we have time to relax. So you can write here evening. And here the milkman is taking milk on the cycle. So he is delivering mostly milkmen, they give milk in the mornings only. There are some milkmen who also deliver in the evenings or nights. So that is different, but mostly morning only. So here you can write evening, here morning. Right, students? And we'll come back to with the next worksheet, that is living in a city or a town. Meanwhile, you keep reading the lesson, students. That's all for today. Thank you.